Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is Dr. Max in the house. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you all here happy. You're having a happy day. Are you are taking trading in the next level, but the next level with a lot of patience, no hush, no rush, no rush, no no desperation, because with desperation will bring catastrophe. So you need to chill, do what we need to be, do what we need to do, and keep pushing forward. That's the only way. That's the only way to succeed. There's no other way. You cannot succeed any other way, because life is all about taking your time to do what needs to be done, being patient, push forward, and never give up. So today, I'm going to do an analysis on S&P 500, and for the sake of protection, remember this is educative. There's nothing to do with. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything you do, it's up to you. Every single decision you take, it's your own decision. Um, it's all about you. You decide what you want to do and how you want to do it, and we're just having fun, just pure entertainment. So I just my point of view of what I think about price, what I think about the market, and if you take any decision by trading, trying to make some profit, or trying to or you lose money, it's your responsibility. Remember that it's your own responsibility. I have nothing to do with it. All right. So this is just my point of view. I'm just sharing my point of view, what I think about the market with you. And so so that's so this is what we're doing here. All right. So let's go quickly to the chart. And I don't want to opaque my view. I'll just stop my camera, and so I think this will be much better. Maybe the screen will be wider. You don't really need to see my face. So I'm very happy to be here with you. So we're going to start very fast. We're going to do we are going to just have a quick overview on SANQ, and then a quick overview on S&P 500. Very fast. We're just going to start with the daily. And what I was saying, oh yeah, just going to stop my camera, and then I think it would be easier that way. Maybe if I don't have camera, and maybe the screen will be wider, and yeah, I hope so. Yeah. Anyway, so let's keep pushing forward, guys. And so for the sake of my protection, I'm just going to share um this screen. A little bit of music in the background. And just be happy and have a beautiful day, and let's have a wonderful day. And there's nothing to worry about as long as we go slow, as long as we do what we need to be done, we follow our rules, and then we don't do things that we're not supposed to be doing. We don't overtrade. Yeah, that's it. And then everything should be okay. Good morning, Jack and Son. Good morning, Pradeep. How are you doing? Pro, good morning. Paddy cannot wait to try the Pro. I don't know. I don't know. I should have been able to hide this. Um, I don't know why this video is still showing. Okay, I wanted to hide the camera, but seems like I'm not having that option. So let's have it on then. Okay, so you can read the disclaimer. Meanwhile, you can read the disclaimer, and then we are going through. Yeah. So okay, let's start with the day. Yeah. Yeah, let's have some fun. Yeah, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, here you go. Okay, so today we are going to start with our daily analysis. First, let's start with the daily, and then let me make this screen wider. Yeah, so this is the daily chart. Let's double click. Let's make it very nicely so we can see. Let's get everything out. This is Nasdaq, and so let's have a quick overview of Nasdaq. Let's delete all the drawings we had. Okay, so as we can see, the week hasn't closed yet, right? And then 3 months, 6 months, we already know it's bullish. So previous day was, let's just plot the Max Maserati model for just very quickly. Let's put this on top, bottom right, bottom, let's say top left, top right. Let me just remove this so we can and then bias. Yes, we don't need it. Let me just remove divergence. Uh, special note to have it like shorter. I can't say no. Okay, okay, let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, Ans. Good morning, Ans. Good morning, Pradeep. Good morning, Jack Anson. Remember, if you don't text on the chat, I can't see your name and I can't say good morning. Yeah. So anyway, so yesterday we had a bearish affinity plus, but let's check the volume of the candle. We have a negative. However, we had a negative delta volume going down, and then we have a bearish affinity plus, which means we are looking for price to take this low here on the daily. Okay, so this is a kind. I think today we have a major news, right? NFP or something. I don't remember. This is a daily. This yesterday low. This is our yesterday low. This is our today. Since we have a and this is our to. Oh no, this is our today's joint liquidity. This is our today's joint liquidity because we have bearish affinity plus. We're expecting price to go down, but that doesn't mean price will go down. But this is what the candle is telling us. Okay, this is what the candle is telling us. So we expect the price to take this low, but first we expect price to retrace first up, and then so this is our yesterday low, today joint liquidity. This is our yesterday high. This is our yesterday high. And then so if we are looking here, if we look here, we see price came inside of this unfair pricing gap on the daily. However, what do we have? This candle left a unfilled portion. Unfilled portion is a part of the unfair pricing gap or the fair value gap that hasn't been filled. Okay, here. So on the daily, this is on the daily. This is on the daily, and then as we can see, price is not what we expect. So if we expect price to go down, first price needs to go up. So now we are looking for price to go up. But however, what are we seeing now? So price closed here. Yesterday price closed here. Okay. Price close here, yes. Open, price open, high, low, and close. So price close here. Okay, this is our yesterday closure. So our yesterday closure, however, price open all the way up here. So which means like we have a lot of bulls in the market. They want to push this price higher. Okay, which means like we have a positive opening. I love to check the opening. Okay, from here to here, we can see we have a positive opening, which means the buyers are very strong. The sellers, even they close the price down here, but they couldn't really push price, and they couldn't really keep price where it is. They couldn't push price down. You know, they couldn't open price here at this level, and then we have a positive opening. If we have a positive opening, which means the bulls are quite strong in this candle. However, and as we can see here, price here rejected this level. So yesterday, price came all the way up here. We have a bullish affinity plus. Price came inside here, took this high as we expected. But today, this is our drawn liquidity, so we expect price to go down here. However, remember, we are inside of a MMM external block. And we see this internal block is an MMM external block. Okay? In the MMM external block, oh no, it's an MM internal block long. Sorry. It's an MM internal block long. Probably the external block is all the way down. Yeah, this is the external block here. This is the external block that created this internal block. Okay. However, this internal block long created a market structure change here. Okay, this internal block created a market structure change here. Or again here as well. Okay. Okay, so which means this level here is very strong. That's why this level is holding, because this level was responsible of this huge market structure change for the last year. So when price come back to this level, we expect a reaction from it. So this is the reaction we are seeing this level. So probably we'll be seeing a little bit of consolidation around here. But so far, we are looking at price in a bullish way rather than a bearish way. Even we need to go down here. But so far, price highly likely push a little bit up. But we don't know if price will fill this unfilled portion gap, or if price will sorry guys, let me drink a bit of water. So far, what we're looking at price, what price is doing. Even we have a bullish bearish affinity plus. But first, we know that for price to go down, it needs to go up, and for price to go up, it needs to go down. This is like a fundamental thing. For the price to go up, it needs to go down. For the price to go down, it needs to go up, right? So as you can see here, price needs to retrace inside. Okay, a push down, but we don't even know if price will go to this unfilled portion gap. However, what we know is that we have a bullish opening or a positive opening. So the bulls are quite strong in this level here. Okay. So we expect price now to retrace, but we don't know until where. Okay, we don't know until where. So let's go on the on 16 hours to see 2 times 8 hours. So as we can see here, we had a huge hole here. Okay. So price open here. Price open. Okay. So price open here, which means this level here, we have a lot of bulls in this level here. From here to here, we have a lot of bulls. So this is our opening. All right. So we don't know what price wants to do, but price highly likely consolidate a lot in this area before taking one of this liquidity. Price will highly likely consolidate a lot. And if price were to react from a level, as we can see here, price is pushing up, and then as we can see here, we have an unfair pricing gap inside this unfilled portion, which make it a very strong level. This is the this is a unfair pricing gap on the 16 hours. In 16 hours. Okay. And then let's keep going down. And then let's just have a quick look at our HVC. Our HVC are very important, so they can really guide us. So HVC, we have an HVC bearish here. Which candle is the, this has a volume, oh, let me put the volume. Okay, volume in this candle is 453,710, and then HVC 375, and then we have this HVC here 466, this 453. So this is our HVC. This is our HVC bearish. Our HVC bearish is in this area, so which make this area very strong. So which means we have a lot of bearish, a lot of bear in this area. So we have a lot of sellers, and it's a sellers with a bearish body close. HVC, we have an HVC sellers with bearish body close on what? On 16 hours, which make this level is very strong. So highly likely when price comes to this level, you might even wait and we'll see if price will come to this level here. It is the best area to wait for a MMM setup, entry setup. All right. And then we have this liquidity here as well. We have sellers here as well. Let's mark it out. And we have sellers out here in this level, 16 hours. All right. And then which means we don't know if price want to retrace here, if price wants to take the yesterday high, but we know that we have a bullish opening, which means the bulls are quite strong. And then and here we have more liquidity down here. However, our main bias now, our main bias is still bullish on the yearly, 6 month, 3 months. However, on the daily now, we are seeing price is bearish. On the lower time frame, price is bearish, but we are expecting it. We don't know if it's a retracement for the bearish continuation or if it's a reversal. But so far, what I can see, we're not looking at a strong bullish, because like you see the bulls open here, and then they push them down, which means the bulls are not quite strong. However, the bulls keep pushing to see if they can take over. All right. So now the bulls are quite strong in this market. When you go on 12 hours between, so 12 hours, and what we can see is that price was bearish body close. Okay, so so far we see like this bullish opening. I don't believe, you see this price retreats more than 70% inside, which means this bearish body close is not that strong. All right, this bearish body close is not that strong. Okay. Okay, and then price created a MMA internal block here. Okay, but for price needs to close above this, and so for price to go high, or so we can say we are bullish, price need to close above this area here of 21,142. So, and then make a market stick to change here, and with a bullish body close. So let's check on the 8 hours. So this is our HVC bearish. This is our biggest candle. It's 453. This is 467. Okay, this is still our HVC. Our HVC is still at 21,177.50. This is our bullish HVC. Our bullish HVC is this candle here. This is our bullish HVC. HVC in 8 hours. Bullish HVC on 8 hours. So these two levels are very, very important. Okay, if price cross a bullish body close and close below this level, which is 20,716, we highly likely expect price to keep pushing down, right? And if price close above 21,173.50, we highly likely expect price to keep pushing up. Okay, but however, we have an internal block here. Our external block probably is all the way high, all the way up here. All right. So what's next? What's next? Next, let's check the 6 hours. 6 hours. Do we have an unfair pricing gap here? Let's check it out. Yeah, we do have a nice unfair pricing gap here, which means this level here, probably this the target for the bulls at 6 hours. This might be highly the target for them, and then we might see price react from this level here. Okay, react from the unfair pricing gap on 6 hours. Okay, it's 6 hours. Okay, and what's next? And so we highly likely expect a reaction from here. Price either push down or push up. We'll keep pushing up, violating this unfair pricing gap. But anyway, from this unfair pricing gap in this MM internal block, we expect price to react. Okay, but highly likely price will react from this box between 21,021.50 and 21,013. Okay, and then let's check the 4 hour. The previous candle was a bullish affinity plus, and then we have this candle that took all this liquidity and pushing up. But if this candle were to push up, where this candle will go? Highly likely here. We have bar sellers here, and then we have sellers here. Okay, let me check the volume. Which candle has the most volume here? So this candle has the most volume. Well, the volume has been liquidated, so we don't have volume on this candle anymore. We already had a first touch, so our HVC is all the way down here. Anyway, let's keep on going and check. So price, we might see a lot of lines, guys. So this H616. Okay, so I'm just giving you the levels and stuff, and so you can have a clear idea. So now, if price were to push up, where price will target? Price highly target this liquidity here. We have the some sellers here. So if price were to push up, these are the sellers level H4. On H4, this is where the buyer highly likely wants to go and exchange the contract with the sellers on top of here. But still, remember, this candle didn't have any week, which means it's very strong as well. Which means today, I highly likely see a lot of consolidation. I will advise maybe to wait until the news pass, at least 1 hour or 4 hours after the news, and then yeah. Well, I see price will highly likely consolidate today. But let's see. Anyway, and then price just came inside of this level here, took the high, and then of the berry body close plus, instead of pushing down and pushing up, which delimit the power of the bulls, as because we have a positive opening, which means from this area to this area, the bulls are very, very strong, very, very, very strong. Which means even we had a bearish body close, because the price, we had a positive opening. Remember, we have a positive opening on the daily. Because of the positive opening on the daily, we can see that the bulls are pushing with a lot of power, with a lot of strength. Okay, and then 1 hour, what do we have? 1 hour, we had a bullish affinity plus. So this candle told us that this candle was going up. Okay, and then now next target should be this high here. And then this is why I think price will keep pushing all the way up here. We never know. Price might even feel we expect our first reaction to be at the on-field portion gap here at 6 hours. And then second reaction, highly likely fill out the on-field portion around here, because we have a lot of MMM internal block in this level here. Okay, so we will expect price to fight a lot within this level. Only I think the news is the only the news might be the only thing that can push price all the way up here to this UPG on the 16 hours, and then on field portion of the daily. But so far, we are looking at a bullishness of price. We don't know if it's the end of the retracement on the yearly 6 months or 3 months, or we don't know if it will be a reversal. But for a reversal to take place, we at least expect price to give us a market to change on top of this candle here, market to change, and then keep pushing up. Yeah, market to change on top of this level and keep pushing up. But the best thing is, like, you will see that price close above this HVC of the sellers on 16 hours. That will be the best thing ever. Okay, but so far, even the market is bearish, we have a bearish affinity plus, but the buyers are very strong in the market now. Okay, and what else? And then so we expect price to consolidate a lot, as I was telling you when we were in the higher time frame, and then price highly likely consolidate within this area. And if we have the MMPB will give us a nice MMPB indicator. As you can see, the MMPB, let me hide all this. So you see the MMPB already tell us what is happening. From this high to this low, we have a lot of consolidation. We don't have any breakout. Okay, we don't have any breakout. So every time price reach to one of these low or high, price will react. Whenever price come to this to 21,010 and 20,855, we will expect price to react from one of these level, push down or push up or cross with power. So price needs to cross with power, but this level here is a very strong level, which means price will react from this level. Price will really like a fight from this level here. Okay, because we have an MMPB here. MMPB is a Max Maserati power block. And then if price will push down here, price already crossed this level with strength, which means that price will touch this level again and push down. Okay, so highly likely price will come back and touch this level. For price to really confirm price wants to go down up, price needs to close above this level, as we could see it on the unfair pricing gap on the 6 hours. Okay, so price needs to close above this level, bullish body close, create a market to change and push up to take this liquidity here. So that's the only thing. But so far we are seeing bullishness in price, and with a potential downside, because we still have a lot of liquidity on the downside, and we have quite a lot of liquidity up here as well. Okay, but we have a major news today. We need to just wait 15 minutes. What do we see? 15 minutes, what do we see on the 15 minutes? In the 15 minutes, let me just take the MMPB out. We see price is crossing above this MMPB. We have a bullish body close above it. Okay, but however, price didn't create any unfair pricing gap inside of the MMPB. Okay, if price were to create an unfair pricing gap inside of the MMPB, it would have it's like we would have seen like strength in price. Okay, which means no unfair pricing gap, which means the bulls are strong, but with unfair pricing gap will have confirmed that the power of the bulls, right? And then as you can see, we have a very nice little unfair pricing gap here on the 15 minutes, exactly on top of this liquidity. Okay, so highly likely price will target this area here. Price highly likely push down, and then from this level here we trace up. Just price might retrace and then push up. Let's check the so now price is in premium. You cannot buy anything here because price is in premium on the MMPD, which is the Max Maserati premium and discount indicator. And then price will highly likely push down here. We expect price at least to touch the midline and then push up again. So we expect a bullish body close. Sorry guys, yeah. So this is what we are seeing now in price. But let's use the Max Maserati model to see what is happening. We have an internal block along here. That price might react. We have 1, 2, 3. Is a good swing. Price took this liquidity here and close above this liquidity. Price close above the unfair pricing gap, which means we are very bullish. And then so highly likely we expect a nice retracement or a nice setup, or we expect price to come back to discount. Yeah, we expect price to come back to discount. Now we cannot buy. It's not the best thing because you see all these pink candles. All these pink candles means price is retracing, okay, or it's a pullback. For example, here, this pink candle is a pullback, and then when price make this green candle here on the MMPD, and then with a bullish body close, it tells us the pullback is over, and we are going up. And then price stay in premium, which means price is very strong. Okay, so if we see this kind of scenario on premium, for example, price is pushing up. Whenever you see price inside of premium from here, from the midline to the extreme discount area, to the extreme premium area, which means price is very bullish. If you see price inside of here, price is very bullish. So most of the time you expect, if you want to enter a trade, meanwhile you're in premium, I think I will teach that. For example, in my case, I like to see that price give me a pink candle on the MMPD, and I just wait. And I wait for a bullish body close, and then my internal block. So this is my, I go say this is my first internal block, CDL. For example, if I switch the Max Maserati Model Pro, I put it on MSA, and then I will just put show MSA, show bearish break, and you see. See, this is a market stick change I have here, market stick change. Okay, we have a market stick change, price retrace, price didn't go back to discount, and then price give you bullish body close, which means we highly likely push higher. Okay, and price disrespect this MMPB here, and the price push up. Okay, and yeah. And then price is pushing up. Okay, so now highly likely we might see price retrace back. Okay, but anyway, you need to wait and see that price give you a nice bullish body close candle on this area to get for you to think about it. Okay, and and then we have external block here, which means price will come to this level and have reaction. We have an external block here, and so and then this and for example on the Max Maserati Model Pro, you'll be seeing this line. These lines are like the buyer's defense line. So this is the kind of area that the buyers needs to protect at all costs. Okay, this is our buyer's area. And what's next? Yeah, I think that's all for today. If you have any questions, you can keep asking your questions. And I think we are pretty much done for today. And let me have a quick view on ES to see what's happening. ES and NVIDIA are pretty much the same. And let's check on daily. However, on ES, there's a bearish affinity minus. On ES, it's bearish affinity minus. And then you have a huge opening. We have an opening here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of liquidity on the downside. We have a huge opening here on ES. And another huge opening here. And opening here, opening on yesterday, opening on yesterday, opening on today, positive opening on yesterday, positive opening on today, and 16 hours, which means like, and then we have a bullish affinity plus, which means we highly likely see this price on ES is even clearer. We highly likely see price take this high, 16 hours, and then we have in 16 hours we have this unfilled portion here as well. So they all pretty much saying the same thing, that we highly likely see price push up a little bit. okay, in 12 hours. But remember, we have a lot of liquidity inside of this positive opening. In 8 hours, what do we see? Yeah, that price is consolidating, will consolidate. There's no doubt about it. So as we can see on ES, price already took this high. This high we expecting price to take on NQ. 4 hours, price took the high, price pushing down. The candle hasn't closed. We have 53 minutes left. 1 hour, yeah, price took this high. It created bullish body close, but still, and then we're expecting this candle to do one to retrace back inside, and then create a retrace back inside and push up. Okay, and then 15 minutes, the same. We're expecting the candle to retrace back because this confirmed that we're retracing back because this is a bearish affinity plus. So we expect the market to take this low, and as you can see, the amount of liquidity down here, a lot of liquidity. And then we have an unfair pricing down here, but which means price is not even supposed to come down here because yeah, price can. Yeah, so yeah, so price can come down here, yeah, because it's unfair pricing gap. Third candle is not a bullish body close, so we price have the right to come here, and then so we expect a reaction on this level here if price wants to keep pushing up, and by respecting the 1 hour high, a low as well, 1 hour low, which is here, and then so yeah. So let's see if price will retrace, and if price were to retrace down here, it will will violate the. Have a good day, Shankar. Have a good day. So see you soon. And soon I'll be releasing the Max Maserati Model 4. I just have a few things to work out on it. Like for example, the entry. I need to give the option for people to put the entry at defense lines and stuff. And at the same time, I want to optimize the MMM block, optimize the entry. Otherwise, it's ready. Just need to do some like little touches on it, and which takes a lot of time. I've been working on it like crazy, like very late at night, pretty much sleeping very late, which is not good for me to trade. Yeah, this is about I guarantee you guys, the Max Maserati Model 4 will be very good, very good, very good, and trading with it will be very like more interactive, like way much better. You'll see things, and then I have this indicator as well called the volumetric price PDB Pro as well. It's amazing as well. It will tell you exactly where to take pro. You can take your profit and stuff like that. So bye bye guys. Please take care. It was amazing to have you. Yeah, I hope it will be ready before that, before January 20. I'm trying to within the next 2 or 3 days if I could have it ready. Or yeah, even today if I could. I will work very hard on it. So please take care. Bye bye. Maybe I should just take a day free and then just keep working on it in the morning as well. Okay. So bye bye. Have a good day. Please take care.